Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add the accessibility shortcut to the home screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on add to home screen. Now click on add to confirm and then the accessibility will be added to your home screen. So here you can see the accessibility shortcut is added to my home screen. So that's how you can add the accessibility shortcut to the home screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.